65th floor. As you come into the entranceway, some artwork, alongside a full-length mirror, which is just outside the bathroom, complete with hangers there as well. Into the bathroom, walk-in shower with amenities. Just the one shower head there. There's no rainfall mode or anything like that. More artwork in the water closet. See, vanity unit. It is a dual vanity, but with one sink, 2 taps. Makeup mirror, and a wonderful huge mirror those ladies would appreciate. Big, deep soaking tub. Again, with another mirror. Very nice bathroom. Coming to the bedroom now. Huge mirror above the bed, including artwork. Bed itself, very comfortable. Further artwork. Power outlets. Power outlets beside the bed. That's a bugbear of mine, having to charge your phone on the opposite side of the room. There you've got USB cables and power outlets, and all controls for the lighting of the room, including the drapes and shears as well. This little seating area to look out. View here on this room, I haven't got a perfect view, but we can see Strat, and heading towards downtown there you can see Circa in the distance past the Strat. Sahara just in front of us. Come to the entertainment console. Got the large TV, minibar with a warning that items are on a sensor. Take them off for 60 seconds and you'll be charged. Also fully stocked minibar. But the beauty of this room, unlike some of the rivals on the strip, is there's also a refrigerator drawer there to store your own drinks, beverages in. Complete with glassware as well. In terms of storage, we do have some deep drawers, as well as the drawers by the bedside table. And finally, we also have the wardrobe. Good number of hangers. Slippers are standard, along with a shoehorn there. In-wall safe. And a garment steamer as well. So, this is Fontainebleau Blue Room on the 65th floor at Fontainebleau.